I'm getting old, man. I need to be toasty warm at night. Oh yeah, that's toasty. Got no cell service out here, so I'm using my Garmin InReach Mini to text Becca and let her know we're safe and everything's okay before we go to bed. So busy fidgeting with everything, I never got a chance to eat a full tinfoil dinner, so I shoved this one underneath the stove and it's warmed it up. I think I'm gonna have some dinner. There's few things I love as much as a good mandarin orange, but these are a bit hard. I better thaw them out. I'm gonna lay my oranges here by the fire, and I'm gonna hop into bed, maybe watch a show on my phone, and I'm gonna go to sleep. And I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. It's about 8 in the morning right now, and we've got the fire out going really good. Nathan's still asleep, so me and Tommy are gonna watch shows on my phone a little bit. You wanna watch Star Wars?
Yes, Stars.
Oh, hey Nathan, you sleep well?
Yeah, but anyway, we're watching Star Wars.
No, man.
That's a walk.
Let's defrost some sausages here. Well, Jake and his family were kind enough to let us have some of the fresh eggs their hens laid. We're gonna make hard-boiled eggs here.
Thank you. You just put my...
All right. Woo. Okay, there you go. Oh.
Because you make the best sausage.
Yeah?
I told you. Then I can go. Cool. Yeah, they're it.
Hey boys, I think I hear snow machines. Oh, I think we've got guests. Yeah. Woohoo! Good morning.
Good morning.
Here, guys, let's get dressed. That sounds like me.
Yeah. Yes! Yeah! That was...
We have a pretty fun agenda planned for today. We're gonna take the snow machines up into that valley a little further than we went yesterday, and we're gonna go look for ptarmigan. And hopefully we'll catch them and we'll be able to cook them up for lunch.